top.
Hey guys, it's me, Myra, and this is usually the slime room, but I just got this new kit, so I'm going to make rubber band bracelets and chokers. We have all these beautiful colors. We have purple, we have teal, we have blue, we have green, we have another green, we have orange, we have yellow and purple that will go together. But we have red and yellow, and we have green and yellow, and we have black, and we have purple, and we have a seedy green, white, brown, and these ones that we are going to be using today. So let's get started. And I have some tools, and I have some charms, and I have some little clear S's to like hook the bracelets and, chokers up. First, you're going to take a rubber band, it don't matter what color, and you're going to twist it like this. You can put it on your thumb, so you can do it like this, or you can put it on your middle finger. I'm going to put it on my middle finger. Okay, it should look like this. Then you're going to take another rubber band, and you're going to put it on top. So it should look like this. You're going to take this green tool or your fingers, and you're going to take the one on the bottom, and you're going to scoop it like that. So it should look like this. Do the same thing with the other one. This is what you have to do. It's going to keep doing that. So it can look like this. And then I can also put little charms on there, because I have all these different charms. See? But I don't know which charm I should put. Comment down below which charm I should put. Ooh, okay, so we have this crown. We have a cupcake. I think I'm going to go with these two cupcake ones. I'm going to keep doing that. And it's very simple. But make sure you don't pop the rubber bands. Because if you do, then I don't know what to tell you. You can either get more, because I have a lot. See? I have so many rubber bands. So I'm probably not going to run out yet. But yeah. And you can buy these rubber bands because I'm selling them. So you can buy them. Yeah. Just comment down below what color you want, and I can make it for you. And then I'll ship it to your address. And yeah. Because these bracelets are cheap, guys. They only cost like $5 or $10 or something like that. But this is what mine looks like so far. So yeah. And then after that, it should look like this. And you can put the rubber band back on it like that. And then just swoop it around like that. Yep. This is our bracelet. It looks so cool. It matches these cupcakes. See, guys? Ouch. And make sure you don't hurt yourself, because I just did. Yeah, make sure you don't hurt yourself. And if you don't know how to make rubber band bracelets, this is a good video for you to watch. See? It's supposed to look like. And if it starts, if you mess up, just restart. So yeah. This is so hard. Okay, oh my gosh. This is so hard to put on. Okay, let's give up, guys. This is so flippin' hard. Okay, got it. Yeah, I got it on. Okay, so here's the first cupcake. Now we need to do the second cupcake. That's what it looks like. Okay, second one. I might add another charm to it because I really like them. Okay, yay, I did it. Let's have some more charms. Oh, what other charm? There's a Santa Claus one. Then, ooh, how about we add this one? We're gonna add this one. Actually, no, I'm just gonna keep it like this. Okay, then you open your little clear S's. No! Oh my gosh! These literally spell OMG. What the heck? These literally spilled all over. Okay, don't panic. Okay, I can do this. Okay, oh good, okay. I should have put the charms on before, but what else? I can do this. Yay! Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I made this too big. Okay, no, it fits. Okay, it fits. Here it is. Okay, bracelet. Now I'm onto my cupcake bracelet. That's this one. Or no, this didn't feel. I can put it like on my foot. Okay. Yeah, I made an ankle one. That's cute. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Don't mind my toes. Okay. Okay, we're done with our little bracelet, guys. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you want to see more of my videos, go to my Play Zone. And yeah, thank you so much. Bye.